All right, simplifying this, for us to be able to add things together, the denominators have to be the same. So in this first one right here, the denominators are the same, so 3 plus 9 over 2 times x minus 9. That's going to be 12 over 2 times x minus 9. The 2 and the 12 can reduce, so that's going to be 6 over x minus 9. And that's it. For this next one here, remember for subtracting, you're subtracting all of it. So this is 5x plus 1 minus 4x minus 7. And I can combine those together because the denominators are the same. So this is going to distribute, so you're going to get 5x minus 4x, and then this will be 1 plus 7. So the x's cancel out, so you get x and then plus 8 over, and now I can factor the denominator. So x plus 8 over x minus 8, the x plus 8's cancel out, so I get 1 over x plus 8. For number 3, the denominators are not the same, so I need to factor, so I can figure out what is the same. So this is x minus 4, x minus 1. So nothing's the same. So if nothing's the same, you should just multiply the entire thing instead of multiplying by the factors. It's just easier that way. So that means, coming back to it, I should just multiply this by x squared minus 5x plus 4, and this by x squared minus 4. So 2 times x squared minus 4 plus negative 2 times x squared minus 5x plus 4 all over x squared minus 4, x squared minus 5x plus 4. It's just easier that way. So distribute. So you get 2x squared minus 8. Distribute. Minus 2x squared plus 10x. And then is that minus 8? So the x squareds cancel out. Then you're left with 10x minus 16, and then on the bottom, you get x squared minus 4, and then x squared minus 5x plus 4. Does something cancel out? Doesn't look like anything does. I could factor out a 2, and you get 5x, and then minus 4, or minus 8. Yeah, there's none of that in the bottom. So this is your answer. Now remember, when we are multiplying or dividing, if it's division, you have to flip the second fraction. So on number 6, I get y. I'm going to just start factoring it. So y plus 3, y minus 3. On the bottom, you get y squared times. Now if it's flipped, you get y plus 2 over. There's a y to the 4th in common. So the y plus 3's cancel out. That doesn't look like anything else cancels out. So on the top, you get y minus 3. Y plus 2, and on the bottom, y squared and y to the 4th give you y to the 6. Now remember, on number 8, the x's only would cancel out. You can't cancel x's and t's. So for number 9, the denominators are the same. So on the top, remember, you're subtracting, but you're subtracting the entire thing. So that's 2x squared plus 7x minus 3 minus 2x squared plus 6x minus 1 all over x squared plus 4x minus 12. So that negative distributes. So that cancels out. And then 7x and 6x is just x. Negative 3 plus 1 is minus 2. The bottom, this factors into x plus 6 and x minus 2. So I get 1 over x plus 6. It says find an explicit formula for the nth term. So I need to figure out what kind of term it is. So it looks like this is being multiplied by 6 every time. So then my first term is going to be 2. This is geometric. My common ratio is going to be 6. So this is going to be a sub n equals my first term times my ratio to the n minus 1.